Okay, I'm going to walk through a workaround for the Pandas data reader, which has recently started to not work with Yahoo Finance and Google. And I expect that this will be fixed in a later release of Pandas data reader, but for now we're going to use this workaround. Alright, so I went ahead and set up a typical data analysis environment that you would use, and with Pandas now, this line of code is yet another workaround for a problem with another data source, the Federal Reserve Board and Pandas Data Reader. Alright, so some of you, when you load Pandas Data Reader, may get a big error on the import, and this line of code should alleviate that error. Alright, so once you have your environment set up, so then you're probably going to want some data, so we'll go ahead and try to get some for Google. It should work like this, and you can optionally put in some start and end dates, but I will leave that off. And when I run it, I get this error message, and it says that, well, Pandas Data Reader is not working with Yahoo Finance anymore, and it's due to changes at Yahoo. Alright, so I can go ahead and try the same with the Google API. And when I do that, I get a slightly different message. It's supposed to still work with Google, but lately this is what's been happening when I try to download data from Google. Okay, so what can we do to fix this? Alright, so Ron Aruzzi has made a small module that is called fix-yahoo-finance, and it sort of implements a workaround for this. So you're first going to have to install fix-yahoo-finance. So you open a command window, you then pip install fix-yahoo-finance. Once it's done installing, you close the command line window. Okay, you come back to your work environment, and then we just import fix-yahoo-finance. Okay, in addition to importing fix-yahoo-finance, we're going to have to re-import the data reader, and we're not going to be able to use the top level module there, so we're going to go into Pandas Data Reader and import the data module. To implement the workaround, we FYF PDR override. So now we have two ways that we can get data. We can use the way we're familiar with. I'm going to show the first few lines. Okay, and we can see, okay, yep, it worked. Right, the second way we can do this is directly with fix-yahoo-finance, so that's a download function there. Okay, so we see we get the exact same results. Alright, and then what if you want to get data for multiple stock symbols? I've set up a small list here of the FANG stocks, and then, yep, I pretty much do the same thing as I did with a single symbol. So I can go PDR, get data Yahoo, set a start date, display the first few rows. So pretty quick and easy. And then yeah, you can do the same with fix-yahoo-finance. Alright, so there we have a big data frame, and we can see that it has a multiple column index here. First it has each data point and then each stock. What if we just want to work with the closes? That's pretty straightforward. We can get data, just the close. Okay, so there's just the closing prices for the first few days of the stocks we're interested in. Alright, and then what if we're interested in just a single security out of our data frame by just referring to both levels of that column index. Alright, so hopefully that helps work around the current problem with Pandas Data Reader.